satisfaction without the fight. A man has limits, oh so they say, but I never listen, did it my way. I'm gonna take what's mine, I paid my dues. I dare you to walk a mile in these shoes. The beat in my soul just keeps getting louder. Give me some of that power. Give me some of that power.
Saat ini kita sedang berada di Berry Springs di Kota Darwin. Ini merupakan salah satu tempat wisata dan merupakan taman nasional dari Australia yang ada di Darwin. Kita berada di sini dalam rangka melaksanakan kegiatan Culture Day yang merupakan bagian daripada jadwal kegiatan latihan bersama selama di Darwin ini, yang mempunyai tujuan untuk memperkenalkan budaya dari Australia, kemudian tempat-tempat bersejarah, tempat wisata, dan juga mempunyai tujuan untuk bisa menambah moral prajurit yang sedang melaksanakan latihan, sehingga diharapkan setelah ada kegiatan wisata ini prajurit moralnya semakin tinggi dan kegiatan yang akan dilaksanakan depannya semakin baik dan semakin semangat.
Okay, so today the TNI and the ADF have both gone to Berry Springs Nature Park for some relaxation around the springs and also playing some sport and activities in the grass area as well. It's been a good opportunity for the ADF and TNI to relax and bond with each other over some sport and some swimming races that I saw going on down there. So it's been very good for building our relationships with each other and just working with each other, communicating and building and fostering those relationships between the ADF and the TNI. I hope in the future we can do similar activities to this and continue to build those relationships between Australia and Indonesia into the future and continue to be great allies.
Give me some of that power.